That just pissed me off.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It is Jayla Joy here, and we're back with another vlog. So I'm waiting on my boyfriend here. He always takes forever. I hate waiting. I hate waiting. Anybody that knows that I hate waiting. But anyways, I'm waiting on him. We're finna go get some food. Washington has hit phase 2, so we're able to go out to eat now. It's been a long time since I went and sat down and eaten. Some people have been doing the outdoor dining before it was phase 2, but it's too cold. What's up, y'all? So it has been a minute since I vlogged. Earlier we had Five Guys, which was slapping, and now my boyfriend dragged me out to the store. We could get some munchies. We got, this is for him, but we got some beef jerky, some Snapple. If you haven't tried kiwi strawberry, it is the best kind. What's it called? Hot Cheetos. Water here. Got like some of these like yogurt things with granola, and then we also got gum. You guys know that I'm always chewing me some gum, so I always gotta re-up. We're about to go watch this new Denzel movie called Little Things, and so I'll check back in with you guys to tell you how I feel about this movie, this new Denzel movie. You know that man's the GOAT. So y'all, these are t-shirts my boyfriend likes, so I'm gonna get a few of these. Went to those stores because I'm getting my boyfriend some things for Valentine's Day. It's just like a basket full of stuff that he uses. I'll show you guys what I got. It's nothing really expensive, just because I asked him only for like some flowers and a card. Anyways, I am headed to get me a salad because your girl is starving, like starving. Like there ain't nothing in my stomach. Like I had breakfast back like 12 and now it's 5. So yeah, why is it blurry, bro? I need a new camera because this be irritating me. So this is the salad. It looks drenched with barbecue sauce, but it's really not that much. And then there's feta cheese, which I'm gonna go light on this because it makes my stomach hurt. And why did they not have the dressing that I usually get? So I'm either gonna try Thousand Island, this like Cobb dressing, or honey mustard. I'm real pissed though because first of all, I bought the salad so that it comes as a whole and I get everything together. Why would you sell me a salad that are out of the dressing? Like, that don't make no sense. That just pissed me off. So the Habit, you guys need to get it together. All right, y'all. So for my mom, I got her this chocolate and this cute card. She already got me a card. So, and then I got my grandma this card, and I got her Reese's because it's her favorite, and these chocolates as well. So yeah, I got both of these from the dollar store. Real cheap, real cute and simple. And I'll show you guys what I got my boyfriend. Good morning, y'all. So today I got a few things to do. I have class today at 5, so I got some homework I need to do, and I'm trying to get all my homework done before Friday. So that's the goal. Let's take my girl to the park because just to wear her out so I don't gotta deal with her the rest of the day. And I need to go to Walmart. I don't know if I'm gonna go to Walmart today or tomorrow, but I definitely need to go within those 2 days. I'm starving, so I need to get me some breakfast. I'm like so hungry. If I don't have no food, I'm not finna eat. Like, that's how it works in this house. I don't know when's the last time my mom has made me breakfast. Maybe when she had a man, that was the last time. But other than that, my mom don't even eat breakfast like that, so I get it. Sometimes she'll cook for me every now and then if she's being generous, but really, no. So I need to figure out what I'm gonna eat today. My grandma's supposed to be cooking for me later, so I'm excited about that because she hasn't cooked for me in a while. Yeah, so we're about to get our day started. I'm gonna show you guys later what I got my boyfriend, like this whole like basket I made. I'm excited to show you guys. About to head to the dog park. Mission complete. My girl is worn out. Hey, can you sit? Hey, can you sit? Thank you. Hey, girl. That's how you know she's really tired. She would be laying anywhere. Hi, boo. Hi. All right, y'all. So we are headed back home. There's my baby. So I got me some Jack in the Box here. Their breakfast is cool. Guess what, y'all? McDonald's don't serve 24/7 breakfast anymore. So I was trying to get their pancakes because if you know, then you know McDonald's pancakes are like the best. But they don't sell them. I guess they don't sell them after a certain time, which is ridiculous, but whatever. Oh yeah, they don't sell 24/7 breakfast. Like, that was a hit when y'all was selling 24/7 breakfast, but it's whatever. I literally sat in the line and was like, do you guys serve breakfast? And they're like, no. Well, we don't serve the pancakes. They serve like sausage McMuffin and stuff. Just sitting in this long line, passing the windows because I'm like, never mind, I don't want anything. Like, I didn't come here for your, I'm in a breakfast mood. So that's what I'm getting is breakfast. Like, even though it's 11 o'clock, I want breakfast, okay? I'll have lunch later. All right, y'all, so my boyfriend's gonna be coming over soon, so let me show you guys the kind of basket I got and like what I'm gonna put together with it. So here's like the basket I found at the dollar store because no, this is gonna go in the trash after I give it to him. So, and then I got him some like little chocolate. He's not really into chocolate, but just some dollar store chocolate. And then I got like a car, little cute. And I got him this like brush because he's always losing his brush, so might as well have another one. And all these things are like less than $10 each because I wasn't about to spend all this money, and this is kind of last minute. So, and we're going on vacation, so I wasn't gonna do too much because we are gonna be spending money. So I got him like also this do-rag, which I'm gonna put in here. Put the chocolate in here. Some wave cream. My dog's over here messing up my video. And one of his favorite candies, which is gummy bears. I don't really see him eating chocolate like that, so he likes fruity candy. So I got him some gummy bears. Then the last things I got were these shirts that I showed you guys that I got from Target. He always be buying these shirts because they're just simple and plain and you can match them with anything. So this one's like a burgundy one, which I'll probably just roll it up, put it in here. Actually, I'm gonna stand him up. That's so smart. Then a gray one, an olive one. And then the last thing I got was chapstick, because he loves some chapstick and I always be stealing his chapstick. So a pack of chapstick. But yeah, it's just kind of like the thought that counts. So yeah, let me show you guys the final look. I did my thing. Okay. Call me girlfriend of the year, period. All right, y'all, so I leave in exactly 12 hours, no, 15 hours. I leave in exactly 15 hours. Right now it is 8:35, heading to the airport around 9. So, because my flight leaves at 11 and the airport's like 20-30 minutes here from here. But anyways, let me show you guys what I got from Walmart. Don't mind my room, it's gonna be messy the next couple of hours because I gotta figure out what clothes I'm wearing. I gotta dig out clothes. I'm just all over the place. Anyways, I got me some makeup wipes, Crest toothpaste, can't go wrong with some Crest, some Kleenex, you know my nose be on a 10, a thing to put your toothbrush in. I got some razors, y'all, because like I said, your girl needs to shave. Some Cetaphil, this body wash. My friend had this body wash, and when I tell you, it smelled so good. Like, it smells bomb. Bomb. And then if that's not enough, if my boyfriend tries to steal mine, taking the dub with us too. Got me some deodorant, even though this was like the only option they had at Walmart. I just need some deodorant. It's gonna be funky. Hand sanitizer, which is this? This is 3 fluid. I gotta Google how much fluid you could take. I think it's 3. Yeah, because all these look like 3. Yeah, so all these I should be able to take. So I think it's 3 fluid or 4, something like that. But hand sanitizer. And then I also got some Lysol wipes. This is the go right now because I didn't think I could find these, but I found a lot of them at Walmart. So I'm gonna take these on the plane. I wonder if these are considered liquid since they got liquid in them. I don't know. I'm gonna just put some in a baggie so like me and my boyfriend can clean down our seats, clean out everything. So yeah. Well, I just talked to my mom and she was like, I was like, well, I need to go pack. She was like, you haven't packed yet? Girl, the last few times we traveled, you pack a couple hours before we leave. Like, no, don't go there with me, okay? Because she'll like say, oh, I'm gonna pack at night, but then she ends up just waking up super early in the morning and packing and then end up forgetting stuff. So I don't know why she tried to try me, because she's the one that's never prepared. But anyway, yeah, so we finna wipe down my luggage and then we're gonna figure out what outfits we finna wear on this trip. Okay, y'all, so this is the weather for where I'm going and I'm just torn on what to wear. Like, so I'm gonna be there Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and we come back on Monday. So I think I'm gonna just wear casual clothes, like, but not no like big coats or anything.